Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for a light, breezy, and still beautiful shirt to throw on before date night? I've got something to show you.
Do you ever put on a top and you're like, man, I think I need 5 more of these? This is what this shirt does because I love the material. It is so light and airy and breezy. It's going to be perfect for spring. And even now that it's cold outside in winter, all I have to do is throw it on and throw a sweater over it, and I'm ready to go. So it's very versatile. It's very cute. I love the bright colors on it. I've worn it several times and washed it several times, and it's still looking brand new. So you can't beat that either. So the material is soft, but it's also a little bit stretchy, which is nice. I got it in an extra large, and it fits just fine. I wouldn't want a smaller size. I wouldn't want a bigger size, and I wear an extra large, so it's true to size, and that is wonderful. You're not going to have to exchange it a bunch of times. I love the way that it's made. The stitching is very strong and durable. I live a busy life with kids and a husband, and so I need something that's going to last, and this definitely will last. So I also love that you can pair it with a cute skirt, or you can pair it with leggings, so you can dress this up or dress this down for any occasion that you're going on.
I love this shirt. It's so versatile. You can wear it casually or you can dress it up, and I think you're going to like it too. And that's my point of view.